I think from the perspective of our restaurant and family, we are all proud that we are able to continue his legacy, over 130 years now, almost 130 years, from the time of Karachi all the way to India and hopefully beyond. As you might have read before, our family was originally based in Karachi. We are Sindhis. And my great-grandfather, Mr. Tarachand Chawla, was based in Karachi with his family. And his profession was to run an eatery. And he was famous for providing food to those who would not be able to pay. So even if somebody came and was not able to pay for a little bit, he would still invite them with his, with all of his generosity and his heart to eat food over there and pay him whenever the person was able to afford that. So because of that, his nickname was Bhagat, or that's what people started calling him, Bhagat, a kind man. Post partition, his sons moved to India and came to Bombay. He had 3 sons who joined or opened restaurants because they had seen their father do that in Karachi. The oldest dishes that I know of in my restaurant are aloo matar and aloo methi. I don't know, I'll be very honest, I don't know if they came from Karachi or not, but those are some of the oldest dishes that we've been serving since at least my father remembers and can tell me so. So, if you go to Zaveri Bazaar and the ground floor restaurant over there, you'll see people from all walks of life coming and eating over there because our food is very, very affordable while also being extremely tasty and filling. We don't compromise on quality just because we are affordable. So maintain the ethos of, being able to provide our food to all demographic of people and not just, the ones that can afford it.